This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Turn the front wheel inside from the appropriate side headlight bulb being replaced. Remove the fasteners at the front of the fender well splash shield, then fold the splash shield back to access the bulbs. Remove the low beam bulb cover. Remove the headlight bulb by turning it counterclockwise until it can be pulled out of the housing. Disconnect the bulb electrical connector. While avoiding touching the glass bulb with your fingers, install the new bulb. Connect the electrical connector, align the tabs on the bulb with the housing slots, then insert the bulb into the housing and turn it clockwise until it is secure. Install the low beam bulb cover. The high beam bulb is replaced in the same manner. Fold the splash shield back to its original position, then install the fasteners.